Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for mastering the world of crypto, blockchain, and DeFi to achieve financial freedom. Have you ever been frustrated by how blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain don't talk to each other? That's where cross-chain bridges come in, and they're becoming more important than ever in 2025. In today's video, I'll break down what cross-chain bridges are, how they work, and why they're essential for the future of crypto. Plus, I'll show you the best tools to track cross-chain activity and manage your assets across multiple blockchains. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you'll learn why cross-chain bridges are a game-changer in crypto and DeFi. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are cross-chain bridges? At its core, a cross-chain bridge is a technology that enables the transfer of tokens, data, or other assets between two different blockchains. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine two islands, one representing Ethereum and the other Solana. Without a bridge, they are isolated, and assets on one island can't reach the other. A cross-chain bridge acts as the ferry, allowing you to transfer value or information between them. For example, you can transfer USDT from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, or you can move Bitcoin to the Ethereum network using wrapped BTC through a bridge. In 2025, as more blockchains emerge and DeFi grows, cross-chain interoperability is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Part 2. Why do cross-chain bridges matter? Cross-chain bridges solve one of crypto's biggest challenges, interoperability. Here's for reasons why they're crucial. 1. Liquidity sharing. Cross-chain bridges unlock liquidity by allowing assets from one blockchain to be used on another. Imagine using Bitcoin in Ethereum-based DeFi protocols or Solana tokens in Binance Smart Chain projects. 2. Scalability. Bridges help distribute traffic between blockchains, easing congestion on networks like Ethereum during high demand. 3. Access to ecosystems. With a bridge, users can participate in multiple ecosystems without being confined to a single blockchain. This is especially valuable for gamers, NFT enthusiasts, and DeFi users. 4. Future of Web3. In 2025, the vision of a fully interoperable Web3 relies on bridges to connect blockchain silos, ensuring seamless collaboration across ecosystems. Part 3. How do cross-chain bridges work? The process might sound complex, but here's a simplified version. 1. Locking assets. When you use a bridge, your original asset, for example, ETH, is locked in a smart contract on the source chain. 2. Minting wrapped tokens. In exchange, the bridge mints a wrapped version of the asset, for example, WETH on the destination chain. 3. Burning and unlocking. When you're done, the wrapped tokens are burned, and the original asset is unlocked on the source chain. For example, using Binance Bridge, you can send Ethereum tokens to Binance Smart Chain, where they are represented as BEP-20 tokens. This process ensures that assets are always accounted for on both chains. Part 4. Benefits and risks of cross-chain bridges. While cross-chain bridges are revolutionary, they come with both advantages and risks. 3 benefits. 1. Interoperability. Enables seamless use of tokens and assets across blockchains. 2. DeFi opportunities. Allows users to leverage liquidity pools, lending, and staking opportunities across multiple chains. 3. Asset efficiency. You don't need to sell your assets to use them on a different blockchain. Risks. 1. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Bridges rely heavily on smart contracts, which can be exploited if not properly secure. 2. Custodian risks. Some bridges rely on centralized custodians to lock and release assets, introducing a level of trust dependency. 3. Network fees. Using bridges can incur high fees, especially on networks like Ethereum. Pro tip: always use trusted and well-audited bridges to minimize risks. Part 5. Popular cross-chain bridges in 2025. Here are some of the top cross-chain bridges you should know. Binance Bridge connects Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, making it easy to transfer tokens like ETH and USDT. Polygon Bridge, a popular choice for transferring assets between Ethereum and Polygon's low-fee network. Wormhole, a bridge designed for interoperability between Solana, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Terra. Avalanche Bridge helps users move assets between Avalanche and Ethereum seamlessly. AnySwap Multichain, a decentralized bridge supporting transfers across multiple blockchains, including Phantom, Avalanche, and Binance Smart Chain. Part 6. Tools to track and use cross-chain bridges. Here are some must-have tools to help you manage cross-chain activities. TradingView. Analyze price trends of wrapped tokens created through bridges. Glassnode. Track on-chain data to see how bridges are being used and identify emerging trends. CoinStats. Monitor your portfolio and track wrapped tokens and cross-chain assets. 3. Use automated trading bots to manage your cross-chain portfolio effectively. Part 7. How to get started with cross-chain bridges. Here's a step-by-step guide to using a cross-chain bridge. 1. Choose your bridge. Decide which bridge to use based on your source and destination blockchains. Popular options include Binance Bridge, Polygon Bridge, and Wormhole. 2. Connect your wallet. Use a wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or SafeBall to connect to the bridge interface. 3. Select your asset. Choose the token you want to bridge and specify the destination blockchain. 4. Confirm the transaction. Approve the transaction and pay any network fees required to complete the transfer. 5. Verify on the destination chain. Check your wallet on the destination chain to confirm that the wrapped tokens have been received. Cross-chain bridges are the backbone of crypto interoperability in 2025, enabling seamless interaction between blockchains and unlocking endless possibilities in DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future crypto guides. Check the description for links to tools like TradingView and Glassnode to stay on top of your cross-chain journey. Thanks for watching.